Hello everyone! Is your car shifting unpredictably, feeling like it's stuck in one gear or experiencing rough shifts? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0757, Shift Solenoid B Stuck On, this means the solenoid that controls hydraulic pressure for shifting is stuck on, causing transmission problems. In this video, I'll explain what P0757 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0757? The P0757 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid B is stuck in the on position, preventing proper gear changes. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light on car, stuck in limp mode, overheating transmission, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for this problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0757, check these important components. Shift solenoid B location. Inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function. Regulates hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function. Monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure smooth shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function. Measures input shaft speed for proper transmission operation. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location. Usually under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function. Controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors. Location. Runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM. Function. Ensures stable communication. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0757 faulty shift solenoid B. If stuck on, shifting will be erratic. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires can cause signal loss. Dirty or low transmission fluid, contaminated fluid can clog the solenoid. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can affect shifting. PCM, TCM software issues. A software glitch may require an update or reset. Internal transmission. Problems. A damaged valve body or clutch plates may need replacement. How to fix P0757. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid B. Test its resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify sensor readings. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 6. Test the PCM-TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0757 can lead to serious transmission problems. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0380 glow plug heater. Circuit A malfunction. P0381 glow plug indicator. Circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.